Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to transfer ETH from Venmo in 2025. With advancements in fintech, this process has become straightforward, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Today, I'll guide you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step manner. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have a verified Venmo account and an Ethereum wallet set up. Popular options like MetaMask or Trust Wallet make this easy. Why? Because Venmo in 2025 supports direct crypto transfers, but you'll need a secure wallet to receive your ETH. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your phone and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto section, which should be prominently featured by now. Step 2. Once you're in the Crypto tab, select ETH from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This is where you'll see current market prices and any conversion rates if you're transferring from USD. Step 3. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Double-check the details, as Venmo will show you estimated fees and the equivalent in your Venmo balance. Step 4. Input the recipient's Ethereum wallet address. If it's your own, paste it carefully to prevent errors. Typos can lead to lost funds. Step 5. Review the transaction summary, including any gas fees for the Ethereum network, and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's processed, which usually takes just a few minutes. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH from Venmo in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and keep an eye on crypto regulations in your area. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.